Hi, this is Janet from Try It Like It Created, and today I wanted to show you how to alter a cut or to use only part of a cut. So the first thing I'm going to do is upload a file that I've created, and it is this palm tree card. I'm going to insert the image. Now the only thing I don't want to cut the entire card, I want to cut just part of the card. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to ungroup it, because there's the shape of the card and then there's also the cut on the card. Now if I were to do nothing and just cut this, I would have the front panel of the card, but I would also have this back shape rectangle that was cutting also. So if you don't want to if you don't want to waste paper and you just want to cut the front panel, this is an option for you to do so. Thing I want to pay attention to here is this cut line and where it is sitting. You can see that it's sitting right along this 8.5 mark. So I'm going to keep that in mind. I'm going to go over to the shapes, excuse me, and select the square. Then I'm going to unlock the square and enlarge it so that it covers the entire shape of the back panel. And I also want to place it right on that 8.5 spot. So I'm just going to double check here to make sure I've got it where I want it. All right, now I'm going to select all. You can do that with a keyboard command. You can do it with a click up here to select all, or you can draw a box over everything. So I'm going to make sure I've selected everything, and then down in the bottom of the screen, it may be cut off on this video, but what you want to do is click on the slice tool, and for some reason it's not allowing me to do that, I think because of just the line that I have. So I'm going to click on the card shape and the rectangle I created. I'm going to click on both, and to do that I'm going to hold my shift key down, and so now I've got both. Yeah, that was the problem, was the cut line. So now I have these two shapes collected, and I'm going to hit the slice button down at the bottom of the screen. And like I said, it could be cut off on this video. If you look to the right hand side of your screen, you will see that there are multiple results over here. However, the screen still looks the same. So what I want to do is start clicking in this space here and deleting elements that are there. And you'll see that what's left now is the sliced result as well as that cut line, which I can also delete. So now I'm down to the one shape that I want, and that will now cut as a single panel instead of a folded card. I hope you find this helpful and useful in the future you're working with Cricut. Thanks again. Make sure to subscribe to my videos, and if you like this one or if it helped you out, click that thumbs up. I appreciate it.